Okay. Let's talk about the DJI Neo's heightening foot stand. Its installation method first. You will receive 4 legs. There are 2. How to install it. Each of the 4 legs has a wider slot, and this one is narrower. These 2 are narrower slots. This is a wider slot. The wide slot is used to hold this one. Each propeller has a GB with a motor cable to hold it. To hold this GB in place, then align the slot with it and press it down directly. Before pressing, you need to confirm the direction. Before pressing the tripod, align the slot. Here, it should be 45 degrees outward before pressing, if it's installed. Wrong if it's installed on this side. It will become like this. This is wrong. It should be extended forward, and no. Install it like this. Align it, and press it. Press it. Gently, be sure to align it. Then press it again, and it will be stuck. Okay. The other one is the same. Find the widest opening. Align it. Align it here and press it down. It's also 45 degrees outward. If it is installed here, as you can see it's not right. It will be asymmetrical. So this one is installed here. Just press it gently. Then press this one down gently and it's installed. After installation, it can increase the height of our skin. It's normal now. And it's also very simple to disassemble. To remove it, just pull this corner and pull it outward. Move it a few times. You can pull it out, and it will come off. Okay.